हाय गाइस, आज की वीडियो स्पीच से रिलेटेड है जिसमें दो स्पीच कवर किया गया है जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है 12th वालों के लिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। स्पीच की बात करें तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, राइट ए स्पीच इन अबाउट 100 and 200 वर्ड्स टू बी डिलीवर इन द मॉर्निंग असेंबली एडवाइजिंग द स्टूडेंट्स टू बी केयरफुल इन द यूज ऑफ दिस अदरवाइज वेरी यूजफुल गैजेट। स्पीच है, गुड मॉर्निंग माई टीचर्स, कलीग्स एंड माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स। Today, I want to advise you to be careful in using your mobile phones, particularly when using headphones or earphones with them. Using such a useful device at the wrong time or place can sometimes lead to disastrous accident. You might have read in the newspaper last week about the pedestrian who was mowed down by a truck in the city when he was listening to music on the headphones connected to his mobile. Hence that while crossing the road, he was so absorbed by the music that he did not look on both sides while crossing and also did not hear the horn of the truck. Similarly, a young man was killed by a railway train while crossing the tracks, as his headphones shut out the sound and whistle of the approaching train. What do we learn from these accidents? Never to use earphones or headphones when crossing any road, railway line, or other thoroughfare with regular traffic, and also to follow the fundamental rule of looking on the both sides for approaching traffic before we initiate crossing the road or railway line. I hope all of you will ensure your own safety in this regard and spread this word for advice to others too. Thank you. स्पीच नंबर 2 की बात करें तो इसमें कहा जा रहा है, राइट ए स्पीच इन अबाउट 115 and 200 वर्ड्स ऑन द टॉपिक डिसिप्लिन शेप्स द फ्यूचर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स। इट इज़ टू बी डिलीवर इन द मॉर्निंग असेंबली। यू आर अ करोना या करण। इसमें कहा जा रहा है कि आप एक स्पीच लिखें जिसमें 115 यानी 150 से 200 शब्द मौजूद हो और टॉपिक क्या है, डिसिप्लिन शेप्स द फ्यूचर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स। Respected principal, sir, honorable teachers, and my dear friends, I Karan of class 12th. I'm going to speak on the topic discipline shapes the future of students. Discipline is the most underrated and least understood aspect of a student's life. Discipline is seen as the opposite of freedom. It is not seen as a synonym for organized, goal-driven effort. It is absolutely necessary in the molding the future of a student. Discipline introduces direction and orients the lifestyle. Without it, there will be no success. It's discipline that shapes up your life. It's discipline that makes you a gentleman. It's discipline that makes you speak against wrong. It's discipline that defines your character. Discipline brings in a sense of responsibility, realization, determination to strive hard each time after failure and stay grounded after achieving success. Discipline is the key to having a strong foundation. Discipline is what shapes a student in the formative years. It shows the kind or attitude a person has or will have. Discipline is used to bring out those traits, characteristics that are helpful for a better outcome, making success effortless and natural part of us. Thank you all. अगर आप इस तरह के वीडियो मज़ीद चाहते हैं तो कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। Thank you so much for watching this video guys. See you in next video lecture. Take care.